So today I will show how to use killer code in your favorite IDEs like anti-gravity or VS Code. So right now, I will show in VS Code. So you have to go to extension. In extension, you have to type killer code and we select the first extension. So install it. After you install, you will see like the logo in yellow color. You can see in chat box as well as in your sidebar. So open it. Okay, this will be let's start giving simple prompts like hi. uh, okay, the model is responding. So you can see this is a chat box where you can chat, you can give the prompts and get the results. So in the section you can see we can plan the project, we can debug, we can ask, and we can also delegate deliberate task to the agents in parallel. So right now we will be doing some simple React projects like displaying cat images. So I copy and pasted the prompts here. Um, so it's nothing but simple cat gallery web application. Here is my cat API, and I given some requirements here. So yeah, let's see. I have given endpoints and also I have given sample JSON response, and I have given some additional features which has been. So we can do. We can use free models first. So I am selecting this model. So let's see. So it's pretty fast for this model. I don't know even the name of this model, but the reasoning response is pretty fast. Okay, it first generated a to dos of. Okay, so it create. Yeah, let's see what it does. Okay. So it's writing CSS file now. It already created its index.html with the proper structure. Now it's writing a script.js with the proper logic like fetching the APIs and lazy loading, error handling, etc. So it's writing. So you can see here it's writing the code. Impressive. It's pretty fast, I think. Uh, so it's already completed the to dos. So let's see what how it goes. So you can see that it has used around 4.19k tokens. So it's actually given the index.html as well. Okay. Okay, we have to go to desktop. Yeah, let's go. So this is the site it has generated. Pretty good, I think. Yeah, it is dark mode difference. For every refresh, it will pull new cat images. So yeah, it's okay. We can use it for basic projects. Please install if you want. I will can do bigger projects as well. So comment under the section. Okay, fine. Bye.